destroy my world!
What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, it's me Man, and today I will be drawing Goku Super Saiyan Blue. Of course, it's gonna be a tutorial. I did upload another tutorial before, which was our drawing Teen Gohan Super Saiyan 2, and this is also gonna be a tutorial, so I hope you guys would enjoy this video, and if you would, then be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every weekend related to drawing. So without wasting any more time, we should get started. So let's go. So guys, the square box is 4 centimeters. Each side is 4 centimeters where I will draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue face. So let's go. So guys, at first I will start by drawing the wrinkles between the eyes, which is some sort of W shape, and then I will draw the right eyebrow, then gonna complete the eyebrow, and then I will connect it at the end. And I will add some random lines beside it. And now I will start by drawing the shape of the eye. And now I will draw the eyeball and the wrinkles. And of course I will do the same for the left side, everybody. And once we are done, we can start drawing the nose, just like that. Doing some adjustments to the nose. Now I will draw the mouth really very close to the nose. And now I will draw the right face, the cheek marks, and now I will draw the ears. And now I will add some details inside the ears. And I will do the same for the left side. Now I'm gonna place the forehead a bit upwards than usual. I think it's too low. Let me increase it a bit more up. Okay, that's good. And now I will draw the spike, which goes a long way down. It starts from here and it goes down till the eyebrows. And now I'm gonna give it some shape. I'm probably gonna do some adjustments, and later on I'll connect this till the up. Yeah, just like that. And then I will do the same for the right spike. And now I am gonna place his forehead just below the 2 spikes. Then I will draw the another left side small spike, probably smaller than that. And I will do the same for the right side. Then I will start by drawing his neck, right side and the left side. Then I'm going to start by drawing the hairs, which are just like spikes. I need to do some adjustments. Okay. So guys, now I will start by drawing his other spikes, which are probably really very large than others. So just do as I am doing. to remember pretty much perfectly. Then I will start by drawing few muscles, and then I will draw the shirt using a rough guideline. Drawing the shape of his shirt, and now I will draw his chest muscles. And again I will draw a rough guideline to help me keep the right proportions, and then I will add some creases to the shirt. Adding the symbol on his shirt. Now I will start by drawing his arms, and I will add some muscles to it. And of course I will do the same for the right arm. And guys, once we are done, we can start adding some random lines to the hairs, as we want it to look like that they are hairs. Just add some random lines. And guys, once I am done, I can start with the inking process, and for that I will use Copic multiliner 0.1 and ink our drawing. And guys, once our drawing looks clean, we can start erasing the pencil lines so that they are not visible while we color and see the drawing in the end, of course. And guys, once our drawing looks neat and clean, I will use a blue color pencil for coloring the hairs. I will also leave some blank areas, and of course I will use it again, the same color pencil, and apply a bit more pressure to get a different tone. And of course I will use a third tone, which will be the darkest tone, and I will do the same for the rest of the hairs, everybody. So keep enjoying. And guys, now I will color the eyebrows. And guys, of course, after it's complete, I will start by coloring his shirt. So first I will use an French Vermilion color. Of course, I don't have an orange color because its ink is dead. Really very sorry for that. However, I will color this entire area by using this pen, or you can say markers, and then I will use the second and the third tone to give some depth to the character. And guys, now I will use the second tone, and later on I will use the third tone. And guys, once it looks clean, I can start coloring the face. And of course, I will also do some shading. I will use the same color pencil and do some shading by applying a bit more pressure. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then be sure to drop a like, and if it was helpful, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as I upload new videos every weekend. So guys, I really enjoyed this drawing, and I really enjoyed drawing this, and it did took me a lot of time, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and please share this video to your friends, and that would mean a lot to me, and I really very worked hard on this piece. So that's it for today, everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate the support.